Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting AI tools, Meshy AI, the platform that promises to make 3D creation as simple as typing a description. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a game developer, Meshy AI claims you can generate models, textures, and animations without ever touching complex 3D software. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, signing up is a breeze. Once you create an account, you answer a few simple preference questions, and you're instantly taken to the community page, which is packed with inspiration. It's a great way to see what others are creating and spark your own ideas. Core features. Meshy AI shines in its text to 3D feature. Simply type a description, choose the polygon count and mesh type, tweak textures, and voila! You have a 3D model ready to go. If you have a sketch or a character concept, the image to 3D tool will convert it into a detailed 3D model, complete with the realistic geometry and textures. Need textures? The text to texture feature is a game changer. Describe the surface you want, and Meshy AI instantly generates it. Perfect for matching any game or animation style. Animations are just as simple. With the animation library, you can apply pre-made actions like walking, running, or even backflips with a single click. No rigging, no headaches. You can also combine multiple animations to create custom sequences. Start with low poly models to get comfortable, then gradually increase detail. Don't forget to explore the community gallery. It's full of ideas and ready-to-use assets. And if you're designing for a specific art style, use text to texture to match it perfectly. So, is Meshy AI the best AI 3D model generator? For ease of use, speed, and versatility, it's definitely up there. Whether you're creating for games, videos, or just experimenting, it makes 3D modeling accessible to everyone. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI reviews, and let me know in the comments. What 3D model would you create first with Meshy AI?